Oh goodness, how strong you are. I think that we must withdraw. Hey everybody, it's the Hurricane 10 back again. And we're taking on this guy has no respect for me at all, because he treated me like a little kid and then kicked me out. He pushed me away, was like, no, you can't face my army. And then he sent the rest of his army towards me, except for himself. Like, he was the only guy that he left behind. And I was like, I get really mad. Yep. And great. That thing's maxed out. Yep. Guess it's time to switch to Staravia. Yay. Yes, I am very impressive. Okay, I guess you just made my team stronger. Well, yeah, of course there are powerful warriors like that here in our kingdom. But I did save the day, didn't I? What? What is wrong? What in the world? What's going on? What is this? Pokemon evolve, not people. What was that? I don't know if you heard that, but something happened outside. Okay. Warrior transformation. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Yeah, sure, whatever. Whatever. Yeah, sure, let's save. Because that's probably just gonna happen anyways. Okay. And we can't do anything. Because I hate to waste it, I'm just gonna go to the next month. So yeah. Yep. Go into the next month. Battle. Use a Psychic type Pokemon. Bug type and Dark type would be a wise choice against him, but Fighting type and Poison Pokemon will probably struggle. Oh yes, we all know how those basics work. And take everybody along. Defeated. And that's actually a really good saying. Well played, Pokemon. Well played. But I'm glad I have that guy on my team. Yes, I did come. No, I'm not very weak. You've been waiting? Prove myself in battle, eh? Worthy of being your opponent? Well, as long as I can take care of this in 20 turns, I mean, you're pretty much dead. Because, oh yeah, this battlefield. Freaking hate this battlefield. Battlefield sucks. Seriously, like, this battlefield is awful. Okay. Eevee, you stay back. And Jigglypuff, you stay back too. Where does the blue one go? Blue one goes to literally nowhere. But that's not where the other one goes. Aha! And you go here. And you stay here as well. And you just wait there. Okay. Get rid of Curlia. Why am I not talking? I've been completely silent for like the past 3 minutes. Whoopsie daisies. Blue portal. You. Go help. Go help Sneasel. And you stay here. In fact, actually, send my turn. Ouch. That hurt. He seemed to be enjoying himself. Yeah, don't make light of me. Don't make light of me! I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you to a pulp. And great, now this thing's protecting the flag. Okay. Orange portal. Green portal. Okay. See. Okay. Try to kill this thing. Almost did. But I will be killing this thing. Because it's annoying and it's in my way. Goodbye, Abra. You're dead. You're good as dead. Yeah. In fact, just end my turn. Okay, using the blue one, and you got there. Okay. No. I hate you. Don't die, don't die, don't die. Yes. Alright. And I hate you. And I hate you a lot. And attack. Aha! Hooray! Okay, now that Drilbur's dead again, all these things just always trying to freaking get up there. Ooh! Actually, go down there now. No. Jigglypuff will be going down there, because Jigglypuff could put the guy to sleep. And now I'm going to end my turn. And going into that portal. Why are you doing that?